More news coming in now. You have the Minister of Defence, that is Manohar Parkar, who sought a report on the Nagrota operations. Now remember, the Army Chief is set to visit the spot today. The combing operation still underway to flush out any possibility of hiding terrorists in the area. 3 terrorists were neutralized yesterday. 7 of our brave hearts martyred during the operation. It was a 12-hour siege, which also emerged into a hostage-like situation in the Army unit in Nagrota. But now you have the Army Chief, who will be visiting the spot later in the day today. My colleague Atar Khan is getting us all the details from the ground. Also, intel reports suggesting that there could be more terrorists in the area with the intent of inflicting maximum damage. The timing very crucial when you have the new Pak Army Chief taking the reins. So Pak proxy war completely exposed from Nagrota, Uri, Pathankot incidents. My colleague Atar is with us now. Atar, Army Chief is set to visit the spot today. First, give us details of the combing operations that are underway.
Well, the combing operations have started with daybreak today, and there's this massive exercise which is being carried out here at the Nagrota Army base. You see, it is not yet clear how many terrorists were there. 3 have been gunned down, and there's this apprehension that there could be 1 more in the hiding. The reason being there was firing even after the 3 terrorists were gunned down yesterday. The firing lasted till 9 o'clock yesterday in the night, and since then no firing has been heard. But there is this fear that the 4 terrorists could be hiding and he could surface sometime, as has happened in the past. Terrorists are holed in, they hold up for days and then they emerge. So that is the possibility. We are seeing a lot of action here. Number of army vehicles have moved into the affected area, which is barely 200 meters from where I am standing as the crow flies. There were bomb disposal squad vehicles which have moved in. We also saw 1 ambulance move out. So the situation continues to be tense here. It's a very big area. The premises has to be secured. It has to be sanitized. So that will be the priority, and moreover the Army Chief is scheduled to visit the base. So all the more reasons that it has to be completely sanitized.
But also the changing tactic we've been seeing from Pakistan side, Atar, which is targeting our key defense installations. Pre-dawn attack, you had these terrorists dressed up in police uniform to avoid detection. It's part of a larger plot. We've had Pak Army Chief taking over the reign. It's setting the tone of how border relations will be between India and Pakistan going ahead.
Well, that's right. It is indeed surprising. At one end, the Pakistan wants to give feelers that it wants to enter into talks with India. And on the other end, when the new Army Chief takes over, there is a terrorist attack. An attack which has been planned so meticulously, where the terrorists have given coordinates of the place they are supposed to attack. And there was this reconnaissance which was carried out to pinpoint this area. They were heavily armed. They had warlike stores with them, with grenades, automatic rifles. So it was indeed a very well-planned raid at the army base. There is a lot of backing. There's no doubt about it, to the terrorists who have attacked this area. Clearly there is asymmetric warfare which has been launched by Pakistan for a long time, and there's no let up.
All right, Atar, in fact, even as we are reporting that the combing operations are underway, the Army Chief is set to visit the spot as well. We're getting reactions from different political parties. Another day of the winter session is set to begin in just about 20 minutes from now. The opposition going to rake up the Pak policy of the Modi government as well today.
कहने के लिए सबको एक अच्छा मौका मिलेगा, इसलिए मेरा अनुरोध है, कृपया सदन चलने दीजिए, बहस होने दीजिए, और संदर्भ के अनुसार प्रधानमंत्री बहस में हस्तक्षेप करेंगे, हमने पब्लिकली भी कह दिया, और बाद में वित्त मंत्री उसका समाधान देंगे। अब ये कानून भी पास हो गया, कानून के बारे में सचमुच में चर्चा होना चाहिए, हम चर्चा करना चाहते थे, वित्त मंत्री तैयार थे, मगर समय सीमा है उसमें, मगर विपक्ष सदन को नहीं चलने दे रहे, वेल में आके हंगामा करके कर रहे, लोकतंत्र का हत्या कर रहे, आप खुद हत्या कर रहे, आप वेल में आ रहे, आप सदन को नहीं चलने दे रहे, आप स्पीकर जो आदेश दे रहे उसको भी पालन नहीं कर रहे, अब हमारे ऊपर आलोचना करना ये गलत है। देशवासी देख रहे, पूरा देशवासी, इसलिए आपने जो काल दिया, सो कॉल्ड हड़ताल एकदम फ्लॉप हो गया। हड़ताल के ऊपर लोगों ने हड़ताल ताला लगाया, और दूसरा ये आक्रोश प्रदर्शन वो भी विफल हो गया। इसलिए कृपया प्लीज कम बैक टू द डिस्कशन, लेट अस डिबेट, डिस्कस एंड देन मूव फॉरवर्ड. दैट्स माय अपील टू ऑल political parties in the parliament, in both the houses.
Opposition is also planning to raise up the Nagrota terror attack, and they're saying that
nothing wrong. They have got every right to raise. There are issues like that. It's an important issue. I do agree. But let them also understand the sensitivities in mind, and then whatever they want to discuss, let them discuss. Government have nothing to hide. Government will definitely share with the House. This is what is required. This is what exactly I am requesting the opposition. Please, the remonetization is not the only issue. That is one of the issues, definitely important issue. But there are other issues, as they were saying about what is happening on the border, what are the evil designs of our neighbor. All these even other related issues also need to be discussed. Let us discuss.
सर लगातार जो है टेरर अटैक मिलिट्री स्टेशन के ऊपर हो रहे हैं.
वहाँ आपने देखा होगा रिजिम बदला है बगल में पाकिस्तान में, तो अपना वो दिखाना चाहते हैं, मगर हमारा फौज भी उसको ठीक तरह से समाधान दे रहे. ये केवल अचानक आज हुआ नहीं है, ये तो लंबी समय से चल रहे हैं. और हम लोग जो पाकिस्तान का पॉलिसी है एडिंग, एबिटिंग, फंडिंग, ट्रेनिंग टेररिस्ट, उसके कारण से देश को कितना नुकसान हुआ सबने अनुभव किया है. इस पार्टी उस पार्टी ऐसा नहीं है, और पूरा दुनिया भी रियलाइज कर रहे हैं. धीरे धीरे मेरे ख्याल से पाकिस्तान के ऊपर और भी दबाव पड़ेगा और हम भी उनको ठीक तरह से समाधान देंगे.